Alright. For a few seconds, I just want you to put your phone in your pocket. We just want to clap for Jesus. Amen. Are you ready for that? So I'm going to teach you something. When I say we hail you, say 1, 2, 3. We hail you. We hail you. This is a time test, yeah? Okay, let's go. Beavis, help me. Step. We hail you. We hail you. We hail you. So we want to try 3 times. Let's go. We hail you. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. We hail you. 1, 2, 3. Let's try that again. Some are not counting. 3 times. We hail you. You don't clap on the first one. We hail you. All right, let's hail Jesus just twice. Hail Jesus. 1. Hail Jesus. All right, let's make it easier. 1, 2.